Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Danisha Alia Binti Dzulkarnain Iskandar, students from UIT Malaka campus Jasin, and currently I did my internship at Visitech System Sdn Bhd for 5 months. So throughout my internship at Visitech Systems, there are various things that I learned here, which are how to develop a web systems and also how to build a mobile applications by using a basic elements such as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap in order for us to do the design for the layout of the system. And also I get to know that of the important for us to master the basic skills so that can ease our work, and also to get to know the type of the language that we are going to use in our system. Besides, I also learned on how to implement their features of framework, such as Laravel framework, it is currently one of the web application framework that become the most favorite PHP framework for web application development, and we are using it in our most of the systems. I also learned on how to use the and Adobe XD, a design tool for web application and also mobile application, and then I get to know the features in it as I explore it while I'm doing some practice for mockup mobile application, and also I prefer a mockup for web system. And then I get to know how to build a mobile application by using a Flutter, and also I learn on how to prepare some documents like user acceptance tests, a manual guide for the system, and by the end of it I able to differentiate the each of the documents. The challenges that I faced during my internship at Visitech System and how I overcome it is how to finish the work or the task given in a short time, such as do a testing for a system that I never exist. And then despite it's really challenging for me because for me personally I really need to know the flow, and I need to I really need some time to understand what the project it is about. But thankfully, I can manage it well by exploring the system while I'm doing the testing, and also I ask the overview from the staff despite their busy schedule. And then another challenges for me is while I'm a system, there are some part that I facing their problems, facing their error, and then I don't know how to solve it. But before I approach them, and then I approach them on how to solve the problems, the error that I facing it, I try to search the solution by myself first, and then I check with them if my solution it is correct or not, or there are there are other options, there are another way to solve it. So achievement for me while I'm doing the internship for 5 months at here is I able to develop the system from the scratch with the help of senior staff, and also while I assist them since the first day I joined the company, and also I able to gain more information about the about the framework, the language, and then the skills that need to know as a developer from them while I assist. And then I also learn on how to identify the type of problem or error that we are facing during the development or during the testing. And then some of the error I able to solve it by myself without need to referring to them. And also during the development I able to come out some of ideas to make it more attractive to be put in the system, or it is more simple and then able to make it during the development. So for those who are searching for a place to do the internship, you are most welcome to the Visitech system, because there are a lot of things that you will be learn here, and you will expose to many kinds of knowledge here. And the staff here are so friendly, and then they are really supportive. So that's all from me. Thank you.